all my feelings. And you gonna turn around and front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't see this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in. But I
okay, you guys, so this is the hair in its natural state. I didn't do anything to my edges, you guys. I didn't have to pluck this hair or anything like that. What lace, sis? What lace, okay? I like lead. This hair is lead. No, I'm just playing. But no, this hair is laid, you guys. Like, I love this hair. Like, look at it. I didn't do anything to the part. I just put some of my airbrush the legs in it with my brush. So I put some on my cap, and I also put some on my lace, you guys. So I didn't have to pluck this wig, you guys. I didn't have to do anything to the edges. All I did was cut this lace, okay? So yeah, this is it in its natural state. When it's dry, come through for the summer, okay? Like, I'm beach ready. Beach ready, y'all. Come on. It's a vibe, okay? It's a vibe. Okay, so I'm going to wet this hair so you guys can see. So I just got a perfume bottle laying around the house, and I put some water in it, and we're going to spray this wig. I use some water and some conditioner. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review plus an install. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair also. So with that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the specs about this hair. You guys, I freaking love this hair, and I know you guys are going to love this too. You guys, look at the texture of this hair with, girl, with lace. Did you guys see any lace? Like the way this wig laid, and I didn't have to do anything to it. I am here for it, you guys. So I got this hair from Amazon, you guys, and I got it on Amazon Prime. And the hair company that I bought this from on Amazon is Kylie Beauty Hair, you guys. It came within about 3 days with the Prime. It does come pre-plug. It is a natural hairline, you guys. As you can see, the knots are medium brown, so it was already tinted, so I didn't have to do anything bleaching or anything to this wig, you guys. So as you saw in the video, all I used was just my leg airbrush and a brush just to brush it on the unit, and as me brushing it, and also I brushed it on my wig cap. Sorry about that, I can't talk today. So with that being said, that's all I did to it. I didn't pluck my hairline or anything, didn't have to touch it. So this wig, you guys, is a 360. No, I'm sorry, this is a 13 by 6 closure. It is 130% density, you guys. Look at it, look. Like, you can literally part this wig any which way you want, you guys. So I had it in the middle part because I already wore this wig before, but I decided to do a side part. If you guys saw my video where me and my family was out, you guys, me and my fiance was out in Virginia. This is the wig that I wore, you guys, and I told you guys I was going to come back and give you guys the deets on this hair, so I am here to give it to you. So like I said, this is a 13 by 4. Like I said, the knots was medium, the lace is medium brown, and you can wash it and it will revert back, and I know that for a fact because I washed this wig and it did pretty good. It does tangle, you guys. When it's dry, it does tangle. So if you really don't like hair that tangles, then this may not be the hair for you. It also sheds, so I would recommend not combing or brushing this hair when it's in the dry state. I would prefer to comb or brush it in when it's wet. That's only because it doesn't tangle or shed as much when it's dry and you're trying to get a comb or a paddle brush through your hair. So that's what I would recommend. That's what I do with this hair. So the only thing I did, I used water and conditioner and oil mixed in this bottle, you guys, just to wet it and give it a little bit more luster, even though it already had luster to this hair. So yeah, this hair is 14 inches. So I love it. It's not too long, and yeah, it's giving me beach vibes. Like, I'm like ready to call babe and be like, babe, come pick me up. I'm ready to go to the beach, okay? So yeah, if you guys are like me and you love like wet and wavy hair, and so this, yeah, it's like wet. It's really like wet and wavy because once you wet it, you get like real tight curls, and once it's dry, it's like more loose because you can like comb it and things like that. But this hair was $88, you guys. $88. So first of all, I'm saving you coins, sis, and I'm giving you a bomb ass unit. Like, y'all, come on, y'all. So yeah, if you like big hair, because this hair is kind of big when it's dry. So if you like big hair, y'all, this is the hair that you should go get, girl. And if you're a beginner and you don't want to and you don't know how to plug, you don't know how to tint your knots and things like that, y'all, this unit will be great for you because you don't have to do anything to it. And I showed you proof in the video. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair review, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it, okay? Like, what you think about it, sis, okay? Make sure you share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!